ye ne wonum edi dwa e wo mayi mu nka bomu ko di atu dwa se wo resident permit kura no eya na edi se immigration for be renew dia ma wonum
onumnyafo afinyoma kensa de nsem bia tutu dwa ensem be no panyin e kan ye
asen braman se na nanum ahefo ye horo wo mu ani abre papa ya wotware wonum esen dia waka nyina ne se sukuu da bia wasan kesi ma wonum no ya dia fa nkwantanan
wei ene nsem bia kaka ho ne abobo ne se no pa no si aka nkase a ye de ebremo ene nsem no doso kan ho na afi ye mfa emu nkyemu nyina ema ho tibre ne ye hye ensem na se madehye no eye mienu nana awuku denchembo ene medi minimini aba
akosia ada mununkum
afi ye hye ensem na se
yade ne eche gomu abudumbura mu nimsa efri enra eba no de na je se adagye ani posokura ewo ho ene san abrantie bia ne din ede kwabena sachi wadi finhie aduasa na abonfo bia wonom ewo gomu abudumbura ho no ya je se wo mo niema hodo bia wo ye no emfa kwa mu no wo mo susu se abrantie wono ene to de bia wonom niema bone bia wo ye no wo fa nchancha fatantan wazanu a nu akwa police fo amane ubo se wonom hye ho anatwem a police fo na aduru wei na ajeza ya baba cheche wonom wo ye informant e de ma police fo no nti ene wo mo ani bre ne so pesha ne so ko ye nrei wo mo ade sekan kwa wo abrante yi cho saa kwapum se wagya mutu oto anananom wanse edo na eno no amafo ye ho ne ene won mani abre sekwoto mo gya wase ye no an san na amen afa ne yakwa ata na sa wo ne yakwa yiye na ye ne yakase yete ye mayi mu na enkofo bi firi wonum man so aba beje adwa ha se ya fe de wonum ba be kunkum ye da bi ye ntia sentie sei ye koto sra aban ye kura ye nsam kura ne atehede we ma pani na na dodan kwa kufu ado yi ye sra mo gomu abutumbura wi gato sule wa ho no bomodi ya so be fa greda pa na dia ba beju ni nyina ya mutu kana na akwadwoto na je se wasa no mpokura no sakwa no a wodi a wo wo ya abutumbura ho no mafrafafo kwa bomodi a chichi go na pam wo no nyina mo nkom krum na ye ho nto
ye salali a wona sam wesi ya ka Ghana fo wo no no ko mu nyina ye be kuma mu nyina da anti Ghana ye se ye se lebere no salali no obi akọ ne krom na jina fo obi akọ ne krom ne ye fa ye man omu titi ya wa hadodo omu gu ye ni mase ya mama no omu konye ku papa ma ka to obi kampa ye se ya mpe
Sano kufaro tumi jina na so gu gansenu nyama akosu budumbura kam duwa abiye be ba tse na sela bera kam u beta se me sela bera kam u be kom na Ghana ni na ya wo no boss abla no sama pena paso tiasiri Sano kunja no so sano tumi gu gansenu no mra mo wul sala bera ko be jura go njurungu na sama ya rafa na sama ko biko tira nyama akosu bia no e ya do too much because una ma ufre juma ba unya bo no kwa no bi achesu no achesu ga no do wo wangasa wakapa sika ba ni atakuwa najo uda ode yu na manyama banu kwa bako na nya Ghana ni na ya wo
yo ene sa wote ya wa mafo ye ne wonu mahuragum wo ya wansam wa waka nyina ne so mampani o mampani bomodi ana bra budumbura be jire kuro ni nyina tugu be jire tugu enya dua ada ba ne san awuku obi si na chesi be jire de da to agu
ye jiro fa da ye ba bia da Emshafa hey 104.5 adom ana fe so asempa affiliating the more than bebrebe so mu nyina so kase ma to apete na no pay yento asem no so emfama enroda ana rehosem bi esi adwoso onwe e wasantemantam ha sei ni nyina ne se wo wura bia wanya ye fe no owusu agyen eto anananom wonse do ya nipa bonfo bia wo mu tese wo mu tirimu de akwakwa esese bi otan huriye mo jampo mu tim de bia dada etwituo ko no so akwai mobile money vendor bi wo mu koku ni ya na semi e de briche kase pa ne besi so onye na unit committee chairman eyo wurapo ata ye ne twetwe nkomo na de tudwa chekire mu sa asem ne de arewo pa na omre oba ye no sei ana na manfo e de to nanimu
mema mu bi ba container ni ba ko jina animu ati se de o yiska na ba ko so fa kire se ono so o send diska enti o mo be huna na se yo fa kire na wura container ni wura mu no na se wa so vendor ni sika e wono bag mu a o pese wo gifri ni se enti wono no struggle we inside no ana de jina abia na ni container ni mu no tutuo. According to eyewitness, Omuni answer boy not working what team no what top from over. After the shots, no, I'm consul to 2 be warning shots. Just over to Abuba and Ebu Famwa, a dose. From there, no Mugani. A chance in the Tuno, a Gutawa Munti, Nipa Huni, Nelso, no behind to me.
Wey de koso na ma obetimi akwanhia Facebook page si a ye video no ho na nso akwa bi ara ho papa kosia AK47 bi no de egu no gu ne bo
me hwa brand
mani pie na chipa
na me ra ho say abrante anopani nyina watenkwam o awie ya yatumi age ne krafi ne nsa
asefem papa na ye ne bedwabo butu ho onimyamfo Isaac Aboaje antwi amode atudwa se no kra ni de si ye ne ntino wo mutu wa na mo animanim ya apekwan mefa so a wo mo bambo sem ebetimi amu ayere pampie fi se de ekoso ne de asefem
we no kra ye nwanwa ye krom we mu de sa no ma we intensisa se an robe sa ba no mu dituo normal ya o mo ye ne se wo phone ne bia o mage ana o ba ge ne ya ne yeta ihu se obi se age ne phone ne mum se o mu dituo be ku obi de ene de ye mi hu bi de sa o hada de ye ne se enro esi na ye frɛ divisional police commander every me committee chairman every crew ra ohene any committee fo nyina adwen nti eno anadwe no divisional police commander ne nkwala ne ba ha ahomachi nso o mo sa ba ha nti tutu ya ye ne se ye nyina ye be kan ye ho abom ye be bo modern a se security e wo no ya na e be safe na onwefo no anya ho bambo
wey eye ensema bedwaba owura Isaac Aboaje antwede to dwam na enwumrenum kakra ana beto dwa sesisi ade bambofo atu anamompa bi amomosa akamranto wa bi a chese AK47 na daka mu amode ekọ baabie wo mu susu sesa bi wo mu ho ebon sabi ensemfo a ekoso ho no eneti ASP Godwin na hianyo wono so ene bambo ensemtrofo twetwe enkomo a no wo chekere ensemu
nura na machinya be 12:45 am na yenu anoma no more duty because the police for no more duty or code intercept Daewoo Matic taxi cab with registration number AS880-16 and omu say you may be okay no twe mu na etu AK47 assault rifle and you may be ewo bag na another car no na ye can say analysis I so far no e try say connected sa robbery na si wo ajoso no eni sa animpa ya chini tebese so bia kana komanto ni yemu
eni awti ye ASP Godwin na hianyo wono ekasa edima bambo for wa santimanta montu de obetumi akwanhia Facebook page sisi a yeguso video no ho
stream wo ho
kama
abanti ya so no na hwa busua ni nyina
na hwa na mame na yere ene ne mame nuanom enso eka no ho nyina ye so no
streaming live enti ubetumi aba be hwe bi
asefem pa
okay ya to so ade ani a kire ye nuanom agege ye Nigerian Union of Traders Association wono mpanifo na eka se wode ato dwa se pa de ya jese wo mayim kan ye nkan ko mo pese mo kan ko mo beka se edi wo mo ni se pretwa ne san wo se wo mo resident permit kra no se ehwo akwa ye de san gaga de ama wonom se immigration for be renew de ama wonom na ne waka nyina ene se eye aban committee ya wate se won hwe adwade ho ensam so no se wonom eye exercise bi na fe wonom ahwe amaframafafo ye ne wonom abo mayibo ye bodwa di dwa no a jese eniema hudo bi a ye de ato ye mrase wonom ni so ne wani so no wonom guso ya wonom ye exercise na fe wo ma hwe sa ne ma ni nam so ema shows besen 92 dia wo ba so amemazi ha se ya loki ni nyina besen na watwemu ni na sai exercise ya committee no ye no wo mu fiti ase na no brada na eno ene chairman yi edema Nigeria fon kabobu ko adwade kabomu ko no ye Kizito Obiora ode ato adwasem eniema ekoso no kwasem pa se ha wonum ye papa eyesa ema wonum business ye ne wonum eye no mayi mu no entumi enkonka wansem ode to dwane ye ntie bi. And
I'm telling you, since this year we are finding it very difficult to register to renew our resident permit since last year November till now. To renew our resident permit is a very difficult, and I don't know the reason. Mainly for Nigerians. Whenever you send your passport to immigration, they will say, "Oh, Nigerian passport." They will not do anything. The passport will be lying there. They will not tell you. After paying everything, they won't give it to you. I don't know whether it's deliberately doing that just to harm us this time around. And that's the reason why majority of our people now will not able to renew their permit. But still, those who have renewed their permit, their shop were locked.
I no crab papa, those who remove their permit, and no cry and no more canon, and no what they are to just say, say, and now do I ya what they are good now quite son, no question say, how 1 year pines, one shot, not say, and near man, quay, the Wabba can say, Nigeria Banier, but what the other farm for your more, my guy, not for 1 more back, now Kizito Obia Rasa Kabi, no, yes, to me live, our Facebook and into Shadia Koso.
We don't have any other option because we can't force to be where we are not accepted. We are just pleading to our government. If this thing continue, instead of we being here and dying in silence, instead of that, let our government come for our aid. Possible to evacuate us, let us go back to Nigeria because it's very obvious that they don't want us in this country anymore.
Oh, yeah, no Nigeria for Munyabotre, Ebeye,
Aya seven. Na yento asem no so enfama wapanyini pa me ne kase ya pa na wono eda sa ekua enei wo ma bepiemu e wo so magazine a wo ko enkoden ahwese wo mbema emra ene ya hye gu efa GIPC honom yede ebedi djuma no opanyini no so akasa na emra wo ne prince apia etwetwe enkoba no tekire mo se no kurani wo mani abre pa sa emra yi wo metimi ayire mu pampe na emra timi edi djuma fi se wontimi fi wo ma so emedi dwa Ghana hase ya umfa emra ya hye gu no eni djuma owura kwabena pepra eni ya twetwe enkomo
amamra no a ebodwadie ho bra kire ekwan a obefa so obedi dwa no eno na committee a enam ya papa Nana Dodankwa ni nyansamu omo a Minister of Trade ya papa Alanchamanten tie no edi eye adwuma ya ba ha ba behwehwe omo nkrata mu dada ebeye bosomi du nwotwe atwamu yi nanso besi na omo nya ho adwuma bia eni ntikura na committee na san ba bio no enti sese de ye no ne se ye ma wo to so no mu a na the notices na yeden aboho ne ya kire ba bia obekọ na akoye saa niema a ye hwehwe no a betimi ama wadi udwa no enti ukoye saa niema ni wi a na sese ye bia usop no ma wa na committee na bia ma
enti a member of the committee Nana Kwabena Pepra and a church semuno na sa uko Facebook sisi abonsa Nigeria for na start yi yomo papers ne ade a wo de church na Nigerian Union of Traders Association ne nkrabata wa santimantem ha sei wo panyino da no eye Kizito Obiora wo panyino ne ade atodwa se no kure wo dwe ho awanti ase fi se obu ha ne document na janiu na so ye pam no hu ni se we pa de se na nado ade ta chire de na se na no mpese ombetena kurom ha bi.
If at all, that's what they did yesterday is what government sent them to do. I'm telling you that they have made it very clear that Ghana government don't want we Nigerians here in Ghana again. Because when you're talking about registration, I can tell you that about 5 or 6 shops who even registered to the level of GIPC pay all their duly dues, all the taxes involved on it. Their shop we are still locked. Then the majority of those shops they're locked have registered with Register General, registered with Internal Ghana Revenue Authority, have their resident permit, and pay all the necessary taxes. But say their shop we are locked.
Wapa in the power of the Nigerian Union of Traders Association. No, Nemkrabata was antimantem here, only young for Kizito, Obiora, and at the Sansa way at 2 Aja.
Yo, Yadiani Breman Asen, and as Asen Breman, and an anonymous and for ya 1 penny for no quasam said, nay, 1 man ya bre papa. Ya 1 actually one same. Adigu DCE Asen North, Honorable Charles Ohine Andosuo, Nania Nanom Akanina and Sen, and same, Aja 1 hour 1 cabin. Ana ya Asen North DC MP 1 mo baba shane boss said ya baba see 3-unit classroom block at the ama 1 said ya be ya ne enwuma se betumi afa ne ntampa efra ewa sembra mai ho na wo mo wo ha afa de ya ba ya yesida bi se ya yimusudi ya diversion abem enu ntino suku dan ya ka sanka ye besina sembra mai ne sanya sembra mai na ka wasiesi no na embom no ya sembreku ena nananom se na ade asem na mo keka kire yesa no hrodo hwia sasem bekra enie na obi a mo ba besi suku blog ade ama ye mpani fu suku fu nyina ni age ya age mo yoyo ya no gongongon na mo ba ya mo se da bi mistake na ba ye ntiase na weye ena asembre mahine na enin eje bonsoafo ye otoso dumienu aka se ade na wonom ye ya no se nananom hemfo no amafo ye wo asembre man ka se wo mo ene je ho a lalai na wonom boa
kontata anka tem se wo ko tama yeso di start edwuma apa ho ka 20 enche kura obeba metena wo ma we na me ko fra so Because I'm coach here DC. No, can't you say school dino? And yet as soon Bremen at a Sigma Bremen. Intinja dear. Or can't say no, me hold the room if you say a coin announcing and call for no banum pen for a cratic pen for. And he announce a beat it the Breku. And I'll be better can't you say, now who say you see the view or Brekuya, Bremen Dean a dazzle. Say I seen Bremen as seen up, and I'm said to Sadia, Miss Menipame, when Mako. By and say, I no correct, say, you see, damn you, Honma, I seen Bremen, I seen no, indeed, way near there, the minimum penny for Atanasia, Yentiasia.
Yo, Brana na edis asem wey ato ya no pe ene yase wo pusudu no mu a wote ne kankantie bisani agro enu nti ya woso ahoma no ne ne asem north this yi akasa ya cha so hene andon wo de ato ya nim say oh ene ma wudu opi ene cross so na mom no obechirechirem
and sana project bi abeko community bia no ye ade be kan need assessment ye hu omanfo no ho no ene ye de ekwakomo mo ye call asen Bremen no ade anana ma penefo e wukum ho ede tu ye nim eni omo kwan ena enweti omo kan community center na omo suku dan a ewo ho omo 6 unit classroom block aye for basic no and omo another 3 unit classroom block but that 3 unit classroom block na omo de GSS no request a omo de tu ye nim ene say omo hyasie that is community initiated and ti ye mo de an ye mo omo no to complete project no Honorable MP, FY with cement, and Yakobamo, I don't see in Sokao, and then almost a complete Omo than Kamakama, Omo, and Omusia at the Ewo. It means that all problem with school here and yet issue. And in the Equator, just say that special initiative $1 million project now, about by Cafe or the air barrel. It's young compile project in Adina, and young family or Monsieur, the air require. I think their mind, not in limiting how could you carry unique classroom block. I tell you, see some board, little Brikuano, or the Roca foreman and say, I don't know, the man you have to quality, I didn't also. But you never collect it later. I didn't remember the crazy problem before God a man, foreman, many pray no so again. It matter, they say a cut to jump and another Bremen for and yes, I did it.
Yo, and you na asenod this say Charles Ohene Andor and yet in churchemu no.
And a Parico Bank for 7 and some the Pan African Bank back pa Ghana ha will be entry myself for sika some kodomo. No animo enwa se de biara da go there was energy papa good energy energy Emma won himself go there. Ya de Ghana oil into Tom the K. Na kwato fango papa ho egu ka mum. Na Star Assurance de ye abrabo mom your solid partner mesra uf John wachi di pepepe ne okodon hre. Fa hu asem nyina akwadon mo number boa ama insurance nsem ni nyina timi akonkan nya fe na kwa insurance obabi afa kwa ye ukọju claim say han kwa fasting eno so kwa ho fasting me pa che wa DBS for some fanto animo se ba no roofing sheet pe dia enu obi antom chance ade boden so papa colors bia pa bia benya bi me se tom ne kanafo ni che DBS for hwe ye na wani bagiye pa food lovers rice emo de a obi a pe so atiase etibomode a obedi mo so no wadi mo papa emo Ghana yankase emo eye food lovers rice ene de abadwa so adom natural man capsules yes a draw way and a jarinum bi oba na pa utim say yes what social media na wo de ko Facebook ne Twitter ne hwan na bo se na ni age service na pay wanonom bia wasabi ansa no aba begina say adom natural man capsules ubebu tu ani tie na zipay de mesra e freedom to choose and to bet me express yourself come on no why transactions I would ni na e simple de here so be dial star 270 hash star 270 hash now so aba kan obi na yenkodwa so ni nyina ne se wapanyi ne kwantrefo no eda Ghana Library Authority ano eya owura Hereford sian wode ato edwa tetrem se no krani na ni age pa se ene sa wo se ne nipa ekwa library na na sen pa na ehwe ni nyina no ekere se aban sika wode ahyemu no aboye papa pantene ni age wo sra awofo ne se wo bia se ne bakutu pa no momode aso de na ni be che library
yesima obi biara opeso kenkan biara no yato books bebre ya egun we a obi a ko mu no textbooks a empina de ni sika ato egu library nim enti ya besra wo for se moma library no omu optimize the use of it the enti a ama ye hu increase in the use of public libraries say ya ye renovations or libraries nim ya toto books staff and qualified staff and then we say ye employ amount for edi omu gu ho enti em say as of 2016 nipa be 420 something thousand a core public libraries. You know, last year 2019 we hit over 1 million people visiting public libraries across the country, which means that because of the investment now buying a make your libraries, you know, nipa and so then every come on making use of the public library.
Any out here, Ora Hereford, Siana, the Sansa way to Java, the Sansa way to Java, Emra Sabajani, Emma for a foot to about Trumpasso. On young for Alexander Fino Markins, one on any an important war, any library Makuma could do about Kun Wessia, or Pain Epa on Tuma, or what Jumapa. Now, Nicasa would dare to just say, I'm on for Bishop, I don't know. One few hours said, Mamma on the crowd, do not have you. Mamma, you didn't do not have you and Tanya Munka. Namuka, Diane, obey from here, can deviate. Munka. The test with
let us come together. This is not a partisan affair. This is about the future of a future, our destiny, our pride. Some people claim they are true indigents, but I've asked them, go and do DNA. Find out whether you come from a futu or you were adopted. I repeat, they will know whether they were adopted and brought from Yeju to Winneba, or they are true Winnebarians and the Futu people like I do. When you come to Insechi, my aunties are here. My family house is right there. When I mention my grandmother's name, they all know. This is where I come from.
Aha! Obia, you say Apple Markets. Obia, you say wild with free. Aye. I put him last of a Johnny and I feel politics. I do a damn one. What you say? What you say? Come on, the contest in the Bolu Gumbe. Oh, Bolu Gumbe, so of you. Ready and the test. I don't promise any AMU. Nana, Euku, Dentambuani with the Miniaba. Akosia at the Munukum. Okwa Dumana, Pay Justin Sababa, share from Hansa, Cromisam, Papa, better no disca conso upon the Chi Adam. Yapajemu, I'm a Jumadia Kaina to Tosso.